How to write or type on PDF file in Google Drive. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit the PDF file using Google Drive or in Google in Google Drive PDF file. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser first. Okay guys, so I have opened my Google Drive. So simply just find that PDF file, or you can search here like file type. Okay, you have to just give the cursor on search bar, then this option will come up. Now we need to select the PDF. So or you can also type colon or PDF file, and you can see all your PDF file in Google Drive. If you have this PDF file in your computer or device, then just go here and upload that file here. Okay, so I just upload the file, so it will be upload here and it will be show here. You have to just refresh it. Okay, so it is uploaded now. You can see I just upload this file. Now what you need to do, just right click on it, go to the open with, and go to the Google Docs. Now this PDF file will open in Google Docs application, so it will be open like this. Okay, so now you are able to edit your Google PDF file from Google Drive. You can edit anything here. You can use tools if you want. Okay, after you done, you can share as a Google Docs, or you can download as a file as a PDF. Okay, it will be download in your device only. Okay, if you want to save it as a Google Docs, you have to just rename it. Okay, rename, and it will be saved in Google Drive, or you can select the folder from Google Drive where you want to save, or you can create the new folder. Go to the Google Drive, and here you can create the new folder like PDF to Docs, and create, and it will be saved in this folder only. Okay, it will be moved. It is save as a Google Docs, but if you want to save as a PDF after you edit, then you need to just go to the file, just click on this file option, download as a PDF. It will be download as a PDF in your device. Now just come here, come to the Google Drive. Okay, open the folder where you want to save, or you can save on your Dex on the home page, like Google Drive home page you can save, but I suggest you create any folder like this and save there. Now just open that folder. Now go to the new and go to the file upload, and you have to just download that PDF file again, upload that PDF file again in Google Drive. So now this can be done. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.